This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marlena Martino. Live in paradise with newly installed pool and renovated modern kitchen. Open concept is breathtaking and backyard is a private tropical oasis. Owners had an unexpected job transfer so would consider 1 or 2 year rental. This is not an investor-owned property, it is loved and cared for by an amazing family. The lucky tenant will need to treat it like their own home while the owners are away. Fantastic plantation location, tree-lined streets, close to airports, shops, restaurants, Sawgrass Mills, beaches, and parks. Plus amazing farmers market every Saturday just a short bike ride away. Available unfurnished, but owner would consider leaving the furniture if preferred. 1-story 3-bed 2-bath with large 2-car garage and interior laundry. The perfect home. For more information, review the details below.